Welcome back to Auto Car, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we take a deep dive into the exterior design of the 2025 Kia EV6, a vehicle that redefines the boundaries of electric performance and aesthetics. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Kia EV6 carries forward its futuristic and aerodynamic styling, making a bold statement in the EV market. The front fascia is dominated by Kia's signature digital tiger face, an evolution of the brand's famous tiger nose grille. The sleek LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the front end, creating an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The sharp daytime running lights, known as the star map signature, enhance the car's road presence. Moving along the side profile, the EV6 maintains its coupe-like silhouette, with a sloping roofline that gives it a sporty stance. The flush door handles contribute to its smooth aerodynamic flow, reducing drag and enhancing efficiency. One of the most striking features is its bold character lines, which add depth and movement to the body. The wheel arches are subtly flared, housing the newly designed 19-inch or optional 21-inch alloy wheels. These wheels are not just stylish but also aerodynamically optimized for better range. At the rear, the EV6 continues to impress with its full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate. The connected taillight design gives the car a high-tech appeal, reminiscent of premium EV brands. The rear bumper is sculpted for an aggressive stance, and the integrated roof spoiler enhances downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. Kia has cleverly hidden the rear wiper under the spoiler for a cleaner aesthetic. When it comes to aerodynamics, the EV6 is engineered to maximize efficiency. The sculpted bodywork, active air flaps, and a completely flat underbody help reduce drag, contributing to a longer driving range. This attention to detail showcases Kia's commitment to blending form and function. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the history that led to this masterpiece. The Kia EV6 debuted in 2021 as the brand's first dedicated EV, built on the eGMP platform. Over the years, Kia has refined its design language, moving away from conventional styles to a more futuristic and performance-oriented approach. The 2025 model continues this evolution, introducing subtle refinements that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Pricing is always a key consideration. The 2025 Kia EV6 is expected to start at around $42,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $60,000 depending on features and battery options. While it sits in the premium EV segment, its cutting-edge design and technology make it a strong competitor against brands like Tesla, Ford, and Hyundai. In terms of exterior features, Kia has equipped the EV6 with automatic LED lighting, a smart power tailgate, and an optional panoramic glass roof. The vehicle's lighting system is adaptive, providing enhanced visibility based on driving conditions. The power folding mirrors, along with a range of color options, allow buyers to personalize their EV6 to their liking. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia EV6 stands out as one of the most visually striking EVs on the market. Its aerodynamic efficiency, modern styling, and premium exterior features make it a compelling choice for those looking to embrace the future of electric mobility. That's all for today's in-depth exterior review of the 2025 Kia EV6. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more expert automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay electrified.